Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you my Peloton hacks. All right, friends, I know you've seen the Peloton commercials. I know that you have seen them and they make it seem so exciting and something you want to be part of. So I love health and fitness. I love helping other women on their health and fitness. I am a coach with Beachbody and I run online health and fitness groups. But I wanted to add some extra cardio, something different, something fun, something just for me. And I didn't want to pay the price tag of Peloton. I just didn't. It's a fortune. It's a fortune. The bikes are close to $2,000. It's like a membership fee of like $50 a month. And I've never done a spin class, but I knew that I wanted to try this and have the instructors and do it in my home, but not try it out with that hefty price tag. So I'm going to share with you some of the hacks, how I figured out which bike was the best one for me, all the accessories that I added and how I was able to use this. And I am going to jump in. I have a few notes so I don't forget anything, but there are different costs. So when you sign up with Peloton, the bike takes forever to get here. And with Amazon, it's like 2 days. So I found a different bike and I did a lot of research to find the right bike that would work for me. If you use the Peloton app and the Peloton bike, the app costs, the membership fee is $50 a month, I think a month. If you don't have a Peloton bike, it's $12.99 a month. So that was very intriguing to me. Now, if you are one who loves competition, I am, but when you have the Peloton app, it shows you how far you've pushed and when you've done your personal best, and you're able to compete with others in those live classes and to see how you rank. If you have the $12.99 app, you don't have that capability of seeing where you rank. However, their bike monitors things like cadence, how fast you pedal, your heart rate, and your resistance. This bike does not. So I had to buy an extra accessory to monitor my cadence, how fast I was pedaling. So to put on the leg there of the pedal, I bought a Wahoo Cadence, which was $39 on Amazon. I will link everything down below if you want to check it out. I did lots of research ahead of time, but the biggest investment was the bike. I didn't want to buy a bike online that was junk. I wanted a great deal, so I looked on my Facebook Marketplace. I looked for used Pelotons. I looked for a good deal, and sometimes you get what you pay for. Now, I don't think you necessarily have to buy a Peloton to get what you pay for, and there are other bike companies out there too that sell stationary bikes and have different instructors, but I really wanted the instructors from Peloton. That was one of the big draws for me, is I wanted to be part of that community with those online instructors. So I went online and looked for all of the reviews of good bikes. One of the bike brands that I was extremely interested in, and other people that have done this hack, is called Sunny Health and Fitness. That's what this bike is. Now, not all bikes are created equal. I wanted to make sure that this wheel was 49-pound fly wheel. That was important to me because some bikes get louder, some are quieter. This bike is extremely quiet. It does have the resistance knob, so I can make the resistance harder while I'm biking, although I don't know the number of the resistance. So during the Peloton class, they will call out numbers of setting your resistance to a certain number, so I just make it a little harder. Also, they'll call out numbers of your cadence, how fast you should be pedaling. So I found very quickly I needed to add that cadence monitor onto the leg here so that I can monitor my cadence. And so that was important too. Now in this room, across the room here, over here on this wall, I have a TV that's hooked up with my Roku. So with the Roku, I can download the Peloton app and I can have the instructors on the TV. However, I cannot see my heart rate monitor and I cannot see my cadence, and I can't see how many people are doing the class. So I bought a iPad and phone holder from Sunny Health and Fitness that fits right on here really nicely. And that has been important because my cadence monitor connects with my Bluetooth as well as my Apple Watch for my heart rate. So I can see that during the class. So what I've been doing is using this for my view, my big TV over here, for my view of my instructor, and then I have my phone to be monitoring those other pieces of information so that I can track that way. And I can give other people in the class a high five and I can still participate that way. So just keep that in mind if you're wanting to just use your Roku using a big TV and connecting that way. It's not as interactive. So I found it really important to be able to have an iPad or my phone up here and having it connect with my devices. I also made sure to get the mat from Sunny Health and Fitness for the bike to be sitting on. And I got a gel seat cover because I'm not gonna lie to you, if you aren't used to doing spin classes, your butt is gonna hurt. So I bought a gel seat cover and it still is uncomfortable the first week or two because it's a whole new range of motion that you're not used to doing. I will do a review on the whole system in a later date. I've only had this for about a month now, so I don't feel like I've had a good enough handle on it to share with you in depth. But I just want to make sure, am I missing any of the other accessories that made this worthwhile? I think that's it. So it is definitely doable if you want to get a Peloton hack version of it. You can get your bike within a couple days. You can download the app instantly. They give you 1 month free, but as of the time of me filming this, I think I saw they're doing 2 months free, and then you just pay $12.99 a month. If you want to follow me, my name is Medero on there, and we can follow each other and encourage each other on our health and fitness journey, and it's super fun. So if you have any questions at all, or you have suggestions on how to do a Peloton hack, comment down below. I just have had a lot of people mention on Instagram when they saw that I was doing this, did you get a Peloton? How are you doing this? And I found a much cheaper way of doing it. I figured after some time, if I loved this so much, I could always get a Peloton down the road, but this is working out great. And it's a great way to add some extra cardio, some fun, sweat out some toxins, and I'm loving it. But I don't know if I'm gonna do this and get a Peloton down the road because this is working out so great. So, all right guys, thanks for hanging out, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.